In today's competitive manufacturing environment, reaching the right buyers has never been more challenging. Long sales cycles, highly technical product specifications, and multiple decision-makers make industrial marketing unique. Traditional marketing methods often lack precision, leading to high acquisition costs and missed opportunities. AI-driven marketing changes the game, helping manufacturers attract ideal prospects, personalize engagement, and streamline the entire B2B sales process. In today's competitive manufacturing environment, reaching the right buyers has never been more challenging. Long sales cycles, highly technical product specifications, and multiple decision-makers make industrial marketing unique. Traditional marketing methods often lack precision, leading to high acquisition costs and missed opportunities. AI-driven marketing changes the game, helping manufacturers attract ideal prospects, personalize engagement, and streamline the entire B2B sales process. AI-driven marketing empowers manufacturers to identify high-value leads more efficiently, personalize outreach based on customer needs, automate marketing workflows to nurture long sales cycles, and optimize distributor and supply chain marketing. AI-driven lead generation ensures manufacturers target the right companies at the right time based on real-time industrial demand and technical requirements. Account-based marketing powered by AI insights, predictive analytics to identify companies actively searching for solutions, and automated lead scoring to prioritize high-value opportunities. A precision machining company reduced cost per lead by 40% using AI-driven predictive targeting. Manufacturers must communicate highly technical information effectively. AI optimizes technical content to rank higher in search results and reach engineers, procurement teams, and plant managers. It identifies industry-specific search trends for SEO dominance, generates AI-driven product descriptions tailored to engineers, and creates personalized CAD and spec sheet recommendations based on user behavior. A conveyor system manufacturer increased inbound leads by 55% using AI-powered content optimization. Manufacturers often struggle with the manual effort required for responding to complex RFPs and specification requests. AI automates this process by matching products to RFP requirements with high accuracy, optimizing bid responses based on competitor and industry benchmarks, and accelerating time to response while improving bid success rates. A sheet metal fabrication firm reduced RFP response time by 60% while increasing contract wins with AI-driven matching. For manufacturers relying on distributor networks and channel sales, AI ensures alignment and efficiency by tracking distributor performance and identifying optimization opportunities, automating lead routing to the best-performing partners, and providing real-time sales enablement content for distributors. A material handling equipment manufacturer increased channel partner revenue by 28% using AI-powered distributor engagement tools. AI empowers manufacturers to make real-time pricing adjustments based on demand, market fluctuations, and competitor movements, predict shifts in raw material costs and adjust margins accordingly, optimize discounting strategies based on customer order history, and identify emerging demand trends before competitors do. A specialty coatings manufacturer increased revenue by 22% using AI-driven pricing adjustments. AI marketing automation allows manufacturers to scale and optimize their marketing efforts by automating lead nurturing for long B2B sales cycles, personalizing email and webinar content based on buyer intent, and predicting the best time to engage with potential buyers. A robotics manufacturer reduced manual marketing workload by 45% with AI-driven automation. AI is transforming manufacturing marketing, making it more efficient, scalable, and data-driven. Lower acquisition costs and higher engagement, more personalized, intelligent industrial marketing, and AI-powered insights to drive long-term sales growth. Ready to optimize your manufacturing marketing with AI? Contact marktgAI today to unlock the power of AI-driven customer engagement and industrial marketing strategies.